Hi, I'm Danny from Paslode. I'd like to tell you about our IM65A angled finishing nailer. A 16 gauge nailer at only 2 kilograms, offering best in class for comfort, performance and reliability. And now I'd like to show you how to load the tool. Firstly, Paslode brads come with a little yellow high compression fuel cell. It will come in safety mode. So first of all, depress the black cap to engage with the fuel cell. Open the fuel cover, making sure that the male pin locks in with the female yellow sleeve. Take the fuel into the tool, close the cover. Loading the brads. This tool will only take 16 gauge angled brads. Load it into the magazine, pull back the follower and gently return to the end of the brads. With Paslode, safety first, the lithium battery, always the last thing into the tool and the first thing out. The battery has a standby mode, and a second click, your tool is live and ready to fire. The 65 angle trim tool uses 16 gauge brads from 32mm to 63mm in length, in electro-galv and stainless steel finishes. Applications for this tool: any second fix work, dado rail, architraves, door liners, cladding, trellis work and much more. Also, the tool has a fantastic, easy and simple to use depth adjuster. It has a soft no mark tip on the probe with a great line of sight for exact firing. Also, for any nail jams, cleaning or servicing the tool, make sure the battery is removed. You can simply pinch, pull the cover. You can free your jammed brad or get to the clean part of the tool. Return and lock. Once you engage the battery into the tool, the second click, the tool becomes live with a green flashing LED. The LED will flash red if the battery is low or needs recharging. The IM65A has a simple and effective belt hook for left and right-handed use. So let's finish with some firing the IM65 angled nailer. Unloading the tool, first thing, remove the battery, simply press and remove. The tool isn't live. Removing the brads, depress the follower and the brads will slide out. Lastly, lift the fuel cover, remove your fuel cell. I've been Danny from Paslode and this is our IM65A angled finishing nailer.